They're having a water fight,
And who wins?
None looks more wet than Maria.
She does though.
It's not fair!
How do you feel getting wet on your birthday?
I don't know.
Your phone's vibrating here.
It's awesome. It's awesome. I'm tired. I ran too much. This is my workout for the day.
Hang on, my friends.
Totally awesome. What do you want? Oh my god. Huh?
Justin Timberlake is here with us. You want to say happy birthday to Maria?
I'm tired. And I think I stuck out. I can't hear you. What?